Effective CGT trial management. How IRT revolutionizes workflow and compliance. Imagine a world where managing clinical trials for cell and gene therapies, CGTs, is no longer a logistical nightmare, but instead a streamlined, efficient process. Thanks to advancements in interactive response technology, IRT, this vision is becoming a reality. IRT is transforming how CGT trials are conducted by simplifying workflows, ensuring regulatory compliance, and ultimately improving patient outcomes. But here's where it gets intriguing. As the complexity of these therapies grows, so does the need for innovative solutions that can adapt without compromising precision. How do we balance flexibility with control? And what role does IRT play in this delicate dance? The journey from preclinical discovery to clinical development in the realm of CGTs is fraught with challenges. Every step, from lab research to treatment delivery, requires meticulous planning and execution. These therapies demand highly tailored approaches because they often involve personalized treatments derived from individual patients' cells or genetic material. This level of customization introduces layers of complexity, making advanced tools like IRT indispensable. Without such systems, trial managers would struggle to maintain oversight, ensure data accuracy, and comply with stringent regulations. Enter IRT platforms, which have emerged as vital tools in modern clinical trials. These digital systems are designed to automate and manage critical processes, particularly those related to drug management. From the moment materials are collected through apheresis to the final delivery of treatment, IRT ensures end-to-end tracking. This not only enhances operational efficiency, but also minimizes errors that could jeopardize trial integrity. For example, consider the challenge of managing expiration dates for personalized therapies. Each batch follows its own timeline, requiring dynamic tracking to ensure treatments reach patients within their viable windows. Here, IRT shines, offering real-time updates and alerts to prevent costly mistakes. One of the most compelling aspects of IRT is its ability to provide comprehensive visibility across all stages of a trial. Whether materials are in transit, stored under cryogenic conditions, or ready for administration, IRT platforms offer real-time tracking capabilities. This feature empowers trial managers to quickly identify and address issues before they escalate. Moreover, the flexibility of modern IRT architectures allows them to adapt to the unique requirements of each trial, setting up robust frameworks for success from the outset. But successful CGT trials aren't just about having cutting-edge technology. They require strong partnerships between sponsors and IRT providers. The best providers go beyond being mere vendors. They act as strategic collaborators, leveraging their expertise to guide sponsors through common pitfalls. For instance, emerging biopharma companies new to CGT trials benefit immensely from consultation services that help navigate study complexities. On the other hand, more experienced sponsors might seek specialized support for scaling operations or refining existing processes. So, what specific challenges do CGT trials face, and how does IRT address them? Let's break it down. 1. Manufacturing complexities. Unlike traditional investigational products, CGTs involve intricate biological processes such as cell isolation, genetic modification, and preservation. Coordinating these steps across multiple sites requires precise orchestration. IRT platforms facilitate seamless communication and documentation, reducing the risk of errors. 2. Patient recruitment and retention. CGT trials often target rare disease populations, posing unique recruitment hurdles. Modern IRT systems enhance patient engagement through features like virtual visits, electronic consent, and remote monitoring. By streamlining these interactions, they improve retention rates while maintaining compliance. 3. Logistics management. Ensuring the viability of temperature-sensitive CGT products during storage and transport is critical. IRT integrates with monitoring devices to track conditions in real time, triggering alerts if parameters deviate. This minimizes risks and ensures treatments remain effective until administered. 4. Data management. As a central hub, IRT consolidates data from various sources, including labs, drug depots, and clinical sites. Its cloud-based architecture supports secure sharing, automated reconciliation, and standardized collection methods, ensuring consistency and accuracy. 5. Regulatory compliance. Navigating diverse regulatory landscapes is daunting, especially in multi-region trials. IRT platforms simplify this task by providing audit trails, access controls, and intelligent tracking mechanisms. They automatically flag when adjustments are needed to meet regional requirements, fostering harmonized practices. 6. Cost management. Given the high costs associated with CGTs, optimizing resource allocation is essential. IRT offers forecasting tools that monitor drug usage, prevent stockouts, and minimize waste. This helps organizations maintain financial sustainability without compromising trial quality. In addition to addressing these challenges, IRT performs several key functions in clinical trials. Automating patient randomization based on trial protocols, enabling real-time data entry and management for site staff, overseeing clinical supply chains to prevent shortages and reduce waste, creating detailed audit trails for regulatory purposes. For CGT trials specifically, IRT has evolved to handle additional nuances, such as tracking individual patient samples, managing chain of custody requirements, and coordinating time-sensitive deliveries. Looking ahead, the rapid evolution of gene therapy presents both opportunities and challenges. As protocols grow more complex and therapeutic applications expand, IRT platforms must continue innovating to keep pace. Organizations should prioritize selecting partners who strike the right balance between flexibility and control, bringing deep experience and consultative insights to the table. Collaboration among industry stakeholders, academia, and regulators will be key to advancing trial management strategies and bringing transformative treatments to patients. And now, over to you. Do you think IRT platforms are the ultimate solution for managing CGT trials? Or are there gaps that still need addressing? Share your thoughts in the comments below.